again and welcome to another video. Do you know the difference between tudo and todo? This is something that many learners get mixed up with and they never know which one to use. So in this video, I am going to show you the differences between them and when you should be using them. If you've never watched any of my videos before, I am Amanda. I have been living in the Algarve for over 30 years. I've been speaking Portuguese for over 30 years. And I have been teaching people like you how to speak Portuguese for over 20 years. So let's take a look at those differences right now. Tudo. Tudo, pronounced tudo, tudo. This means everything. It's an indefinite pronoun that means everything or all things. It's used in a general sense and does not refer to something specific. So here's some examples. Está tudo bem? We all know this phrase. Está tudo bem? Ele sabe tudo sobre carros. He knows everything about cars. Here's another familiar expression you might have heard. É tudo, é tudo. When somebody asks you when you're shopping, if you're buying vegetables, fruit, or things that you can buy an accumulation of, you may find that sometimes the people who are serving you might say, é tudo. And if that is everything, you can say, é, simply é. So they're asking you, is that everything? Is that all? So let's take a look at todo, toda, todos, todas. So todo and its variations, toda and todas, are indefinite adjectives that mean each or the whole of, the entire. They're used to refer to a specific group of things or people. So let's take a look. Todo o dia, all day, all the day, todo o dia. Choveu o dia todo ontem. It rained the whole day or all day yesterday. Ela limpou a casa toda. She cleaned the whole house. She cleaned all of the house. Todos os alunos passaram. All the students passed. Todas as flores são bonitas. So you still might be a little bit confused here. So you're still thinking, well, I'm really not that sure when I should be using one and when I should be using the other. Well, I'm going to give you more details about this in the summary of differences. And I'm going to teach you an easy way to remember which one to use. Summary of differences. Let's take a look at that now. So we've got tudo refers to everything. We've already said this in a general sense or all things. Now this is often used next to the verb, either before or after. This is a good way to remember. So we've got some good examples here. Let's take a look at these examples. Está tudo bem? Está tudo bem. Everything is good. Well, this is the verb estar, to be. É tudo, is that everything? This is the verb ser, to be. So you can see we're using it right alongside the verb. You can see here. Está tudo bem, right next to the verb. É tudo, right next to the verb. Eu vi tudo. I saw everything. Right next to the verb ver. Eles comeram tudo. They ate everything. And that is the verb comer. So you can see that this is right next to the verb every single time. Now when we take a look at todo, toda, todos, todas, this is referring to each or the whole of a specific thing or people, specific things or people. And this is used next to the noun, either before or after. So this is going to be more specific. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do so now. So now let's take a look at this example. Ele leu o livro todo. He read the whole book. So you see, o livro todo. It's right next to the noun, book. Vou comer a sopa toda. A sopa toda. Toda is right next to the noun. Os meninos todos estão aqui. So here, os meninos todos. All the boys. So this is referring to the boys, not the verb here. So all of the boys. We're saying all of the boys. Nós mandamos as cartas todas. We sent all of the letters. As cartas todas. So again, we've got it next to the noun. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to take a look at the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.